To hide Instagram stories from other users. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply hide your Instagram stories from other users. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, you're going to open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, you're going to go and tap on the Your Story option that is at the top left corner of your screen. So once you do that, this is going to appear, or a page similar to this is going to appear, and once you tap on camera, this is the type of option that would appear up. Just going to post any story that you like. Once you have posted it, so you're just gonna tap on it and hence going to write anything or anything that you want to share as a story. So once you do that, just going to go and tap on this icon and share your story. Once your story has been shared, you can always go into your story and you can always go into the settings mode, that is a top three bar option that is the bottom corner right corner of your screen. Once you go there, you're going to go into the story settings. Once you go there, you can hide this from people, so you can hide this from as many people as you want, and this is how you hide Instagram stories from users. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.